Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install World of Tanks Heat on PC using Steam. The process is very simple, so let's get started. First, open Steam. Now go to the search bar at the top. Type World of Tanks Heat. Now click on World of Tanks Heat from the search results. Once you're on the Games page, click on Play Game. Now select the drive where you want to install the game. Click Install. Accept the Steam terms and conditions. Now wait for the game to finish downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, go to your library. Locate World of Tanks Heat. Click on it and press play. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now you should be able to play World of Tanks Heat. World of Tanks Heat should now be fully installed and ready to play on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.